So here's a beehive that's been neglected. We just had empty frames. We take the cover off. We see that 2 female mice came in and set up nests. And I think they eat some of the beeswax. So here's a group of little baby mice from one female. And there's another female there going to her mice, and she's taking one and trying to hide it away from me. So as I put this phone down closer to these little guys, man, they're a little over an inch long, I guess, if you stretch them out. The female, now she's going to come up. She's afraid that there's going to be harm done to the little ones, so she's taking each little one at a time, almost the way a cat would take kittens, and she's trying to squeeze herself down there below to another location. Okay, so here she is coming up again, one at a time. See? Unreal. So we're gonna watch her try to get in closer this way. Try to see her show up again. There is the head. Okay, and take that final one away from the nest, further away from the phone. Here we go. Now the other female, don't know what happened to her, but I definitely saw 2 females. I'm not sure why she abandoned these guys, not going through the same action. Not sure. But what we're gonna do is we're going to move a frame, and I'm not sure where the other female is. I know there were 2 of them. Now this one might help out or something. I don't know. Not sure where the other female is. There's a couple of these little guys. They're like sleeping. There they go. A few of them hiding there. And so it is. Nature taking its course.